How to save Viber photos or videos. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily save your Viber photos or videos. So first thing, simply head over to your Viber and make sure you are logged into your account. And from over here, what you need to do is simply click this more button at the bottom right corner, as you can see. So once you click on it, simply scroll down until you see the option settings, and once you click on settings, just click on media option. And once you're inside here, just make sure you have turned this two option, that is save to gallery button, which allows Viber to automatically save the media to your gallery so that you don't have to click on saved differently. So, and another option you need to toggle on is this, simply enable this, the auto download media over mobile network, which will automatically download even if you are using cellular mobile networks. If you don't want it, you can simply turn it off as well. So that is exactly how you can easily save photos or videos using your Viber. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.